8:18 now, and we are trying to take a look at downtown St. Paul there, but it is windy, it is snowy out there, and the roads are a mess. So if you're thinking about going out and you don't have to, you might want to take a breather there and go out later on this morning. We have called an extra drive alert. Pauline Lee been tracking the conditions. I mean, Pauline, at this point, you've probably seen up to 100 crashes out there.
Probably. And Heather, I feel like you're being too nice. I'm just going to say, just don't go out.
Yeah.
Just don't do it. Yeah. This is what I suspected happened here. This is the ramp to Valley Creek Road. This is in Woodbury here. So I saw this snowplow truck out there for about 45 minutes waiting to clear this kind of like ramp, and it wasn't moving anywhere. This is what I thought happened. It's having trouble. Even the snowplows are having trouble keeping up and having issues now out on the roads. So if they're having trouble, chances are you're probably going to have trouble too, because we have dozens of issues out on the roads right now. And those on and off ramps, those clover ramps, this one too, Highway 65 at 53rd Avenue. The on and off ramps, the overpasses, the bridges, they just get slicker quicker. The pavement's just a little thinner, and now a lot of cars travel on them to begin with. So that's why they're having so many issues this morning. We've seen so many closed for extended periods of time just so that snowplow crews can get in there and clear it out, because it's just icy. We had rain yesterday and then it turned into snow. So again, just a heads up for you as you head out the door. Look at this. This is not pretty. This is not fun to be in. So don't go outside if you don't have to. It's just really everywhere across the metro here that we're all still dealing with snow. Look at that. At least some relief in sight. I see pockets of no snow out there, but for the most part here on the metro, we're still all dealing with snow and that wind as well, that yellow, that gold over there. So again, just be careful as you head out the door this morning. The road conditions not pretty. Most of us were in the pink. Just snow-covered roads this morning, and it will be for a while here. So we're going to keep an eye on the roads conditions. We'll keep you updated as soon as the next crash pops up, Heather, because it's going to happen.
Yeah, I'm sure actually it's happening right now.
Yes.
Pauline, thank you.